Welcome to WordPress. This is WordPress and this is admin account. This is subscribers account. We are logged in by using admin account. And this is Frontend. And we see admin bar here. Let's log out and log in using subscribers account. Now we are using subscribers account. Reload. And here we have admin bar at the front end showing for subscriber. So I'm going to show you how to hide WordPress admin bar for subscriber users only. By default, WordPress shows the admin bar at the top of the screen for all logged in users, even subscribers. As you can see, I am logged in as subscriber. If you want to keep things clean for subscribers, or if you customized the admin bar for you, for admin, and you don't want subscribers to see that, here is what you should do. Go to your WordPress site, go to WP content, themes, currently active theme, edit functions.php file. Add this code at the bottom of this file. This code checks if the logged in user is a subscriber. It disables the admin bar for them. Save the file and let's reload this page, and the admin bar has gone for subscriber. Let's see if it's gone for admin as well. Reload, and for admin, we see the admin bar. So admin bar will be visible for admin, but not for subscriber. Super easy and clean way to hide the admin bar for subscribers in WordPress. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more WordPress tips. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Find this code in the video description.